Today here with me I have Moisturex Soft Cream. Who all can use it, what are the different ingredients present in it, and where to use it to get the best benefit. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of this product onto my skin and I'm going to show you how it looks. Boop. The cap securing the product. Let's put the little bit product on my hand. Oh, it's very thick. I like it that it's in the tube. It's gonna retain the shelf life of the product, and I'm just gonna nicely spread it onto my skin, and you can see that it easily gets absorbed and makes a nice thick layer onto my skin. It's actually lightweight. I thought that it might not be that lightweight because of the paraffin, but the formulation is just nice. It sits on my skin, doesn't have any smell, but it doesn't even have a shine to it like the Vaseline does. Such a nice lightweight formulation. If you look at the composition of this cream, it has two important ingredients present in its formulation. First one is the white soft paraffin, and then there is light liquid paraffin. Paraffin is the ingredient that has gone through multi-step distillation and refining of the petroleum crude oil, and it is derived from crude oil basically. It can be possible to get it in the wax form or else in the light liquid form. The wax form acts as an occlusive barrier. It makes a shield and it doesn't lead to water loss at all. So it gives a long-term hydration, and if you're suffering from eczema, then you can use the wax of the paraffin. But when it's in the liquid, light liquid form, so it's the petroleum jelly. That's the most lightest form as compared to the wax. So it is easy to apply onto the skin, and it helps with the water retention also in the skin, acting as same as the wax, but it's much more lighter and it's easier to use. Both of these ingredients, that is white soft paraffin and light liquid paraffin, are helping to make a barrier onto the skin. So if you are someone who has rosacea, who has dry skin type, or you're suffering from eczema, this cream does the good job for you. This cream is made with the physician to target the eczema prone skin or else the very dry skin type condition. As I have made another video on Moisturex cream where I talk about the lactic acid content and the humectant, that is urea, and the propylene glycol, here you don't have any such humectants in the formulation, but it is targeted to make as a barrier shield onto the top layer so that you get a long lasting hydration. Who all can use it? The sensitive skin type can use it, and it is tested with dermatologists, so it doesn't have any paraben in it, so it can be used for the eczema prone skin. How much does this cream cost? It costs rupees 377. Again, another Indian product. I adore Indian pharmacy to make affordable skincare that does 100% job. This one, I got it for some discount. I think I paid 300 rupees, not even 377. But let's talk about the packaging now. If you see the packaging, it's tube, easy to use. I was searching for a cream that can help me with my hands moisturization, and also for my legs, because my legs are tending to dry out a lot because of the winter weather. It's snowing and my skin is extremely dry, and I wanted some cream that can retain that moisture into my skin. So I did find an Indian pharmacy product that does a really good job, and that is this Moisturex cream. I can't tell you how much I love this. I love the formulation that it has, like the white soft paraffin, which resembles very much to the Vaseline, and also it has the light liquid paraffin, which is known to improve the moisture content. Both of these ingredients act as a occlusive to retain that moisture, and the best part about the paraffin is that it makes such a strong shield on your skin that it doesn't let the cold wind weather lead to more dryness of the skin, or else the environmental stresses, whether it be the pollutants, to enter into the skin and then lead to inflammation or lead to aging of the skin. So it improves with the elasticity of the skin. It also enhances the skin barrier functioning. When I say skin barrier functioning, these paraffin, they take up the space in between the skin cells, so that there can be buildup of the lipid layer, and that enhances the skin barrier functioning in general. So it doesn't lead to transepidermal water loss. That's a major case in the dry skin type and eczema prone skin. Light liquid paraffin has been studied to remove or aid in unclogging the pores and also removing the dead skin cells. So it is acting as an exfoliant and also improving the dry skin type condition. White soft paraffin as well as light liquid paraffin are acting as anti-inflammatory properties because it reduces the redness and inflammation caused due to the external factors. In general, these two combination can be powerful to cure the eczema prone skin, psoriasis, and also itchiness caused due to some sort of different wrong ingredient applied onto the skin. This cream is just a lifesaver if you are in cold weather and you want a moisturizer in affordable price which can do a really good job. Actually, this moisturizer can kill a lot of really good formulations out there. Pro about this moisturizer is that there is no fragrance, which makes it really good. I think I am gonna give it a 10 out of 10. This one can be used by the skin of color or Caucasian skin, someone who is suffering from dry skin type condition, but it is always said that you need to have a prescription for this. But in my opinion, if you have dry skin or else very dry skin and you want a moisturizer that can help to retain that moisture content in your skin, then I think that you can try this one out. It's affordable. It's 377 rupees, which I think you can try for a month and see how it is reacting on the dry skin type area. Do a patch test before even applying it directly on your face, because on your face you cannot apply anything directly because it can react, and your face is something that you present to everyone on daily basis and you don't want any reaction on your face. So be careful to do a patch test before applying it anywhere onto your body or onto your face. I'm not going to apply it on my face. First I'm going to wait for 24 hours as I have applied it here, and I'm going to wait for 24 hours and I'm going to see if there is any reaction. If not, then yes, I can go and proceed to apply this on my face. Another best thing that I observed about this moisturizer is that it's matte. You see, it doesn't have a glossy finish to it. If you want to go out just looking matte and you don't want to look like you are applying like layers and layers of hydration, then I think go for this moisturizer. I like this. I think I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna apply it on my legs because I need some moisturizer that can give proper boost and a proper occlusive layer so that there is no water loss. I'm gonna test this out and I'm gonna tell you if it is worth purchasing. I'm gonna make a whole new video on how I improved my leg skin dryness, and I'm gonna tell you like if this product did a good job or not. So yeah, that was pretty much it about this Moisturex cream, soft cream. And if you have any questions, write down in the comment section below, and also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching again, guys. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.